Hey YouTube, Harmon Hart here with a quick video on how to remove the third brake light from a e85 Z4. Your model on this one's 2003. So this is the brake light, and this one has seen its better days. I had to tear it up to get it out. It's held in with 3 bolts, and it plugs into the wiring harness with one small plug. In order to access this, which lives on the top of your trunk lid, you have to remove 2 covers, one on this side and one over here on this side where your emergency handle is. Once you do that, you can see those little holes right there, 1, 2, and the third one is right there. On those holes, these studs stick through, and they've got a shoulder on them, so they land in there where they're supposed to be, and there's no adjustment. And then this spring goes in there, and then on top of the spring there's a nut with a washer built in. There's 3 of those, so you can access those. Actually, there is a hole right here. This hole right here will let you get a socket in there to get to those, but you still need these access covers taken off right here, these, because you got to reach in there and fiddle with it. Once I got the 3 bolts off, over here on this side there's a wiring harness. This one was connected to nothing, but this one right here is where the brake light plugs in. And so to change the brake light, you reverse the process. I had to bust the lens out of this one and wiggle and jiggle and pick it up. What happens is the housing of the taillight itself gets behind this metal, and then it can't come up. So you have to kind of almost squeeze it together to get it out. At least mine was like that. So that's about it. That's an easy job. It's just this one, someone had smacked the tail light, the third brake light, and had broken the tip of it off. And that piece was in the trunk rattling around. It was annoying. So I went in there to find out what was rattling, and when I looked up and saw the tip of the glass was gone, I thought, oh man, and I got to change that. So anyway, that's how it's done. Good luck.